Hello everyone, it's Lee Shang here at Subaru Puyallup, also a part of the Harnish Auto family. I'm doing a quick tutorial on how to customize your keyless entry and how to add a driver profile to your Multimedia Plus screen. On your 17-inch Multimedia Plus screen, you will click on the settings icon. On the top bar, make sure that you have chosen Car, Keyless Entry System, and this is where you can customize it to your liking. So for me, I like to have an audible signal, so when I'm unlocking all the doors or locking them, I can hear a sound and a beep. It just makes me feel better to know that I've actually locked my car. You'll have the hazard warning flashers. You can turn them on or off here. The one thing I do love about customizing the keyless entry is the driver door unlock. So when you click on your icon to unlock your doors, you have the opportunity to unlock only the driver door or all doors. You can go back, and with the power rear gate, if you're lugging any groceries or putting anything into the rear, you have the opportunity when you click on the power rear gate icon on your key fob to unlock the trunk only or all doors as well. And once you've customized your keyless entry, you're good to go. Now I'm going to show you how to create a driver profile. So in the far right corner, you're going to click on the little body icon, driver profiles. You're going to hit add, English, hit next, driver's name, enter it in here, hit next. At this point, you can add your phone, your Android or your iPhone here. It will search for your vehicle and pair your device. Once that's complete, you'll hit finish. And this right here will show you all of the profiles. The one good thing about a driver profile is that once you're in the vehicle, you can customize your Starlink settings and icons. Once your driver profile has been created, here is a quick way to customize your home screen by adding a shortcut. So all you'll do is click on the Add Shortcut icon. You'll have an opportunity to choose from the following: radio, media, phone, apps, and settings. My favorite would be the radio. Go to XM screen. I love music, so that's one thing that I absolutely have to have on my main screen. Once you've added the shortcut, you can move it to whichever screen fits you best by holding it and then dragging it to the home screen. There you have it. You have now customized your new Subaru with your keyless entry, creating a driver profile, and also adding a shortcut to customize your home screen. For more details, feel free to visit us at SubaruPuyallup.com or here at 720 River Road. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button.